What is the ruling on watching beneficial videos that contains background music? Beneficial videos in the sense that's not religious, but videos of technology, environment, politics, and cookery shows, etc.
So Aisha's first question, there are videos that have benefits in it. These videos are beneficial, and they can talk about self-motivation, about management, about worldly sciences that have value in them. Not only that, there are some religious clips and videos of some of the brothers who are supposed to be da'is, though they claim they're not da'is, but it is filled with music in the background. So what's the ruling on watching such things? The answer is, it's haram. Especially these so-called religious or motivational videos that a man comes and tells you about the wrong practices here or there, but it has music in the background, sometimes equivalent to his own voice. This is haram. And such a person should not be actually put forward as a role model when he is sinning openly. He says it's an issue of dispute. This is none of my business. We have Qur'an and Sunnah. Go to the scholars and get me the fatwa that says it's an issue of dispute. As for the other types of motivational videos, self-training, management, etc., you can find duplicates, replacements, maybe better, without any background music. And at the end of the day, when it comes to the scale of good deeds and bad deeds, on the day of judgment, would this be in your good deeds? No. It is not of the prerequisites to enter Jannah. Allah did not order you to listen to such videos or to learn such sciences. Yet you did, and you listened to music alongside to it. So this is a sin that definitely would weigh in your bad deeds scale. So I would say that you should not do that at all.